Hey everyone! This time we decided to treat ourselves to a little staycation. We stayed at DoubleTree by Hilton Putrajaya Lakeside, a beautiful hotel right by the lake known for its peaceful views and unique resort vibes. It's located in Putrajaya, about a 45-minute drive from our home. We arrived at the drop-off point, which is on the ground floor, but for check-in, you will need to head up to the lobby on the first floor. Check-in took a little bit longer, around 2 p.m, since the lobby was quite packed with guests arriving at the same time. DoubleTree is famous for greeting guests with their warm chocolate chip cookie, and of course, we got our cookies too. The property is quite large with different wings for the rooms, lobby and restaurants. At first, we actually got a bit lost trying to find our room. For a 5-star hotel, we felt the check-in process and directions could be improved a little. We booked a King Deluxe Room, which came with a comfy king-side bed and a cozy setup. This staycation was for a special reason. It's my husband's birthday. The hotel had prepared a lovely welcome for us, including a birthday greeting card in the room. After settling in, we took a walk around the hotel to explore the surroundings. The hotel has 4 wings and things like rooms, pools, restaurants and kids play areas are spread out between them. There are 3 main pools at the resort. One is the kids splash pool, specially for kids. The lakeside pool faces Putrajaya Lake, which has a really nice view. And the third is the rooftop pool, only for adults. There's also a little coffee shop in the hotel lobby called The Coffee, where guests can grab a snack and relax with a cup of coffee or tea. For families with little ones, the hotel also has a kids club and a games room. It's a fun space where kids can play, do activities, and stay entertained while parents relax nearby. A staycation came with a half-board package, so after a good rest, we headed to the Makan Kitchen for the dinner buffet. The buffet had a good variety with sections for Malay, Indian and international cuisines. The food was delicious and we were so full after dinner. So we decided to step out of the hotel and explore the area nearby. Right next to the hotel, we found this place called Marina Putrajaya, a nice spot by the lake with a peaceful vibe. Since it was already past 9 p.m, most of the area and restaurants at Marina Putrajaya looked closed. So we just took a leisurely walk along the walkway. Honestly, it was so relaxing. The night view of the lake and the lights from Putrajaya city were absolutely beautiful. While walking along Marina Putrajaya, we ended up stopping at Seri Gemilang bridge. With its warm golden lights and elegant design, it gave off a bit of European vibe, really beautiful at night. The next morning, we headed back to Makan Kitchen for breakfast. The spread was just as good as dinner with a mix of local and international options. So that was our staycation at DoubleTree by Hilton Putrajaya Lakeside. The food was really delicious and the room and bed were super comfortable. But since the property is so big and quiet in some areas, it did feel a little empty, maybe even a bit haunted at times. Still, it was a good short break and a simple way to celebrate my husband's birthday. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.